Yeah, I noticed po dun sa listahan, yung mga graduate ng Amid Cup naging snooker. Paano po naging process para po i-assign sila na this one is for snooker and then the rest para sa pool talaga?
Nagka-experience na po sumali ng table yung mga snooker natin. Familiar din po kasi yung snooker sa table. Kaya yung mga naglalaro ng snooker, ng table, pinalubig po yung mga, wala naman po talagang naglalaro ng snooker po yung
Yes.
kahit sa babae.
Okay, isa doon na rin. Within the pool. Pwede sila pala magpalitan. Hindi lang pang pool, pwede pang table, pang for snooker. Depende kung anong competition. At very important sa nila, lagi ko nakakausap kasi karamihan sa mga Q-masters natin, ang daming competition abroad. Yung iba, they cannot afford to compete, di ba? So, kahit ma-professional kung nilang lalawakan, pero siyempre, bit-bit pa rin naman nila Philippine flag, ang ating din pong NSA at tutulong sa kanila.
Yan yung topic po na lagi namin pinag-uusapan. Actually, sa labas, hindi pinag-uusapan namin eh. Well, a lot of our prominent athletes have sponsors, pero paano yung wala? So yung pinag-uusapan namin, we have been supporting sila Basil, sila Michael, for the past 8 months. Kami po nagbabayad. I mean, ako yung babayad muna. So hindi namin sinisigan kasi ayaw muna namin na maging pabigat on others. But income time, magbigay kami ng recognition, why not, di ba? And we all know that leader sports is prize money sport. As much as possible, we're trying to assess the allocation that we will be having in the future on how we will be segregating the funds. Siyempre, our main target will be allowances for them, for their everyday survival, and for the participation. Siguro for the big name athletes, we will support more on the world stage. But for table and snooker, yan po yung magiging focus muna ng federation. And as I mentioned, yung mga last minute na ng mga athletes natin in snooker and table, talagang tayo muna ang sumusuporta. Yung nag-GA kami, ano pa ang kailangan nyo? Kailangan ng Q6, bilan yan. Kailangan i-repair yung snooker table, tawagan na, repair na. Don't wait for the approval or whatever request that we will be needing. Gawan muna ng paraan, saka na natin pag-usapan. Looking forward into the future, I just want to mention that we will be having our own website. Dinevelop na siya at continuously developing it. We will give you an update on it. And we will incorporate a ranking system in the Philippines. So, nag-photoshoot na kami ng GA bago ni Coach Totong doon. At very excited kami na ipakita yung aming website. That's how serious we are in promoting the sport.
Good morning, I'm Gab Peras muli from Sports Corner PH and Journal Tonight. Kay Sir Francisco, at itanong ko na rin kay Sir Basil, ano yung mga efforts ninyo with the help na rin ng ating bagong NSA na rin to develop nga yung sport like carom, like snooker and able. Kasi alam naman natin, billiards is very popular right now, pero itong able at carom is underrated so far, pero unti-unti nang nag-gain traction or attention ng ating public. So what are your efforts nga para to help nga yung realize yung vision ng ating NSA to and objectives na rin to para makaanap tayo ng mga susunod na pambato natin, at the same time magkaroon kayo ng mga continuous competitions?
Sa ngayon po, wala na yung marunong karungkulan sa mga kabataan ngayon kasi ay sila sa pool. Bakit na po? Dahil na po, hindi naman sa pagkain. Walang pera sa karong. Hindi gaya ng pool. Bata pa lang na, mapalaban na sila. Maniging, mga ganun. Kaya nahihilig po silang naglaro ng pool. Kaya tatanong-tanong na rin po kami sa bandang Bacolod na po, may mga karong table doon. Kaya tatanong-tanong kami baka mga lumaligig na mga bata doon. Maglaro ng karong.
Okay, Sir Basil, same question.
Yes po. So bilang isang athlete, syempre para ma-recognize yung sport na nilalaro ko, isa naman yung isip ko na gawin, which is manalo. Kaya ako manalo, kaya ako training ng maayos, and sa ngayon, yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Meron ako mga specific training programs na ginagawa sa tingin ko makakatulong sa akin malaki sa mga darating ko.
Dalawang questions lang, Attorney Wharton. Una, masalimuot talaga yung mga nangyari before last year. Of course, na-suspend tayo, yung old NSA. But right now, sabihin natin, back on track ngayon ang Philippine Billiards with the new NSA around yung National League. Magkakaroon ba kayo ng mga coordination meetings with different stakeholders, whether amateur or sa professional level? I know Sharks is also interested din kasi despite being a professional league na under GAB, sabihin natin they are also interested din to have a joint forces with the NSA na rin.
We will prioritize first with our athletes. Yung clubs to follow na yan, we will be very inclusive naman. But we focus on more on the not the amateur side, but more on the recognition side for our country. Kasi marami sa billiards is more focused on the money games. So we're not into that. We're more focused on helping our athletes, promoting sports, giving opportunities to the grassroots programs. And as I mentioned by Coach Francisco, ang hirap maghanap ng player ng karong. Bakit? Napakamahal ng mesa. Isang mesa is $500,000. No, we have a new one in the game ball. Binili natin. Doon si Champion eh. Ibang di makita yung hindi niya. So going into the other clubs, other stakeholders, hindi natin masyado prioritize. Prioritize natin, buhay yung sport, manalo ulit, bigyan ng tamang pag-aalaga yung mga athletes and coaches natin. Yun ang focus natin. Siguro after that, we can move forward into the other federations. Sabi ko nga, may website na tayong ginagawa. Pakita nila kung ginagawa natin. Wala tayong katago. Pakita natin lahat. Magkakaroon ng ranking system so that other athletes, even not part of the training pool, will be forming part of the federation.
And aside from that, there was another group nga pala na nagpo-promote din ng wooden pool o pitcha pool na nakipag-coordinate niya ako sa kanila. They are also interested na kahit paano to join na rin yung NSA. So, are you looking forward to that?
Siguro one day, I would like to take note that the new sport is now called billiard sports. Kasi dati billiard and snooker yan eh. So it's all under billiard sports na. All discipline dyan na bababa yung karo, table, snooker, billiards, yung wooden pool. Billiard sports na po siya. That's why the NCAA is now called NLBS. So we were corrected and informed by the IFMA.
Lastly, Attorney Wharton, nabanggit mo kanina na of course kulang-kulang pa lang yung mga sponsors na rin ng ating billiards na rin. Are they interested nga to talk with some private sponsors or patrons na maglaan sila ng pondo para lang masuportahan natin ang ating team, whether sa billiards, whether sa snooker or carom, na pwedeng ipandala sa mga iba't ibang mga international competitions at the same time para makatulong na rin sa growth na rin, lalo na March 2027 magkakaroon kayo agad-agad ng ating National Open. Thank you.
Sinisimulan ko na. I've been talking to big major companies na to support. Kasi yung pinaka-support natin ngayon is the participation of these athletes. Medyo mahal ang individual athletes kasi madalas every month meron silang competition outside the country, so you have to pay for the registration, accommodation, the travel expenses. So hindi yun biro. Usually one trip mahina yung 300,000 for one athlete. So yun po yung focus natin, helping the athletes to participate kasi it will form part as their training regimen in the international scene, yung pagsali nila ng tournament.